All right, good afternoon or good morning, people of Jamaicans.com. This is Calibe coming to you from Secrets Resort, Secrets Wild Orchid, again in Montego Bay. And of course, it's the last day of our trip. Yesterday was the last actual day of activities, but me and Mr. Sexy Man here are now checking out. I've already checked out of my room. I'm not, you checked out already? Okay, still in process because football apparently.
I don't know who is here watching live. Mexico play Germany.
Nobody cares, alright? So I shouldn't say that, somebody might kill me. Alright, I'm sure people care that Mexico are playing Germany, but for those of us who have other things to do, I just wanted to, do just a final live. You want to say goodbye and just run off to you?
I go on, man. Free. Bye, everybody. We'll see you in Florida.
Yeah, man.
And the Jamaicans.com. Live.
Alright, bye. Alright, so I just want to say thank you all for being on this trip with me this week. I'm gonna just talk to some of the hotel staff who have been so great hanging out with us. So you're just gonna say hi to all the people at Jamaicans.com.
Alright. Hello, Jamaica.com.
Alright. Yeah, man. And you and your team. I told you guys about the outfits the other day, so I just want to show you again. This is how the staff looks here. Everybody looks dapper all the time. Happy Sunday, Omar. Alright, thank you. Alright, I'm gonna take a walk inside as well. All the tourists that you see here are actually on their way home, just like I am. I've left my bags up at the front. And I think you all saw some of the beach side of the property, but when you check into the hotel, this is what you actually see. So when you come in, you're walking through the doors. You can. Oh. Hold on. All right. So that's the staff warmly telling you hello. This is who will greet you when you come in. And if I might, this is Jamaicans.com. Just tell everybody. Oop, it's so dark. Okay, here we go. Tell everybody hi and why they should stay at Secrets Wild Orchid.
It's the best resort. You experience excellent service. Please come on over.
All right, Carol from London saying hello. Thank you so much for checking in. Angela, Omar, Kathleen, Seymour. Remember to say where you're checking in from so we can shout you out. So that's some of the team here. They've all been so warm and smiling. Everybody greets you with a smile. Say hi. Hey, Sean, wagwan. All right. This guest is checking in. Are you checking in or checking out? Checking out. How was your stay?